Hi, here's how to add confetti to your webcake.io page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, log in to your webcake.io account, go to Landing Pages, and then open the page where you want the confetti effect to appear. In this example, I'll be using the Confetti Page demo website. Go ahead and click on it, and then click on Edit. Once you're inside the webcake.io editor, from the left-hand menu, click on Others. Now look for the HTML box, then click it or drag it onto your page. Next, click on Edit HTML. Then go ahead and remove the default code inside it. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted, click on the Save or the Update button. Now, to test this out, click on Publish and save your page changes. Then, visit your live page to verify that the confetti effect works as expected. And if you did all the steps correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.